How's it going, YouTube? I didn't realize I bought this much stuff this week until I put it all together. But yeah, this is a little bit from everywhere. This ain't even including my biggest purchase. Let's see, I don't know where to start. Guess I'll start at the cheap Harbor Freight. Got me a Drill Master hand planer, or electric planer. I don't know why I said that. But yeah, can adjust the depth with this knob. Only problem is you can hardly see. But $40, they don't get any cheaper than that. And I think they were about to discontinue Drill Master, so for something I'm going to use hardly ever, it works. I got this, the Braun, which doesn't make bad lights. I think they fib a little bit on the lumens. It says 750. It's got 3 settings. Real good magnetic base. Rechargeable. And it seems like it's made pretty well. I think it's $23.99 with Inside Track Club. Alright. Also got the cheap Rivet Gun. It was like $9.99. Flexible head. Never used a Rivet Gun, but got it if I need it. And I got transfer punch set. This looks like it had been sitting at the store since they opened, and I probably won't ever need them, but didn't have them. I was kind of on a punch kicked when I went there. Guess I'll go to the next ones. Got a set of these from Harbor Freight. The long pin punch. Which don't seem too bad. The sizes are actually engraved. Let's see if I can get this. It's not just wrote on there. The knurling could be a little better, but then I got a set of these Dasco Pro, made in USA. I think Home Depot carries some of their stuff. I got these on eBay. And then got a center punch set. Whoa, can you see it? Tecton, USA. I do believe Wild makes these. Alright. So got this Plum Hammer I found at the antique store. Realized this week there's Plum and Plum with an O. 2 separate companies. But yeah, don't know why I bought that. Got some cheap flap wheels. 40 grit. It's a 10-pack on Amazon for 14 or 15 bucks. And you get what you pay for. They ain't that great. The Win, it's got a little bit of everything in it. It's $15 if you got a Dremel or rotary tool. Got polishing, bunch of cutting disc. Yeah. Speaking of polishing, 357 Magdad always talks about flits, so we'll give it a try. Got the 18-inch 3/8 walking flex head from Matco to go with my 12-inch black. Yeah, I don't have any 3/8 ratchets this long. Probably won't need one either, but it's neat to have. Alright. Then I got a couple Armstrong adjustable wrenches. This is a 10-inch. I did clean them up a little bit. They weren't horrible shape, but I did pretty good on this one. This is a 12-inch. It was a little bit rusty, but I got the finish that comes on it now. I think I did pretty good on the color too. Yeah. Alright, last but not last. Got these at the flea market. 5 pair of pliers. Scout Crafter loves this brand. Crater. Says made in the USA. They are giant nippers. We'll see if I can clean them up. They were $4. These were $3. Craftsman USA. Nothing special. These were $3 also. Utica, New York. They need some work, but the tip looks good. This was a real score. Nipex. The curved. They still make these. These were $3 and they were all rusty, but they're not now. I couldn't fix the handles though. The Nipex were $3, and I think these were $4. M. Klein & Sons. These are 10-inch slip joint. They were really rusty. I had to work for a minute on them. We'll get the Klein coat and put some handles on them. And last but not least, is got the Ryobi 10-inch miter saw. And I've been looking for a miter saw for several weeks. And this one, they got it on sale for $179 right now at Home Depot. Comes with a 40-tooth blade. It's got an LED light. Comes with a clamp, side guards, and it's the sliding one. It's locked right now, but I don't have a place for it yet, so it's currently sitting on my living room floor. But yeah, it's bevels only on one side to 45 degrees. It's the only thing it don't do is go both ways. Yeah, for the price, this is the best one out right now. Found a win for the same price online, but I'm sure this is a little bit better. I don't really like Ryobi, but for a miter saw with no battery, I'm good with it. So I've already used it several times, and I'll let you know how it goes. But so far, so good. Thanks. Subscribe.